Guys, please let me just tell you this. Whatever you do, someone will always be unhappy. Always. And especially in this age of social media, it's so easy for us to be confused between the voices that actually matter and the opinions of faceless people behind the internet, behind the anonymity of what the web offers. That doesn't matter. So, we have to realize this, that we cannot please everyone all the time. And you know, friends, the people we work with, our friends, our family, the people around us are our greatest influencers of life. So, we have to choose really wisely of the people that are around us. So, always surround yourself with the right people all the time. Got it?
So we've got the next awardee here, and what's the name? It's Arundhati Roktima. She has been recognized under the category Speaker. Congratulations, Arundhati.
Thank you
Lots
really
of love
very
to you.
much. Thank you
There
very much.
she is. You're most welcome, Honey Pie, and you've been having that smile throughout. I've seen that, and thank you so much for being so positive and sharing your vibe with all of us. So, wishing
Thank
you all
you
the best,
very, very
sweetheart.
much. Thank you.
Wish you all a
Welcome.
very great future. We wish you all the luck. No, we'll see you on some big screens and someday, and then I'll say, "Oh, she's Arundhati. I met her in the event in 2022, and look
Yeah,
now
you
where
never
she-"
know.
Yeah,
I
we
would love
never
to meet
know.
all these kids
Exactly.
someday. Hopefully.
Exactly.
Yeah, Joanne's parents are saying we cannot play with one open eyes. I don't think I can even press the keyboard. I'm too bad with this, and these kids are like, wow, gems, totally. So,
True.
all the very best, children, for your future endeavors and for all your achievements. Congratulations on that. All right.